percentages and fractions. 27%. How do you write that as a fraction? Yeah, well, it's a good place to start as a percentage is over 100, right? And then so we start with 27 over 100, and then you would see, can I reduce that to a smaller fraction or not? Is there a number that you can divide both the 100 and the 27 by? That works out nicely. In this case, there isn't. So this is the fraction in its lowest terms. And anytime you have a percentage, you can change it to over 100, and that would be how you would write it as a fraction. Yes? Yeah. Now 25%, again, we could start by writing it over 100. But this is one that you could reduce. Does anyone know what equivalent fraction this is equal to? 1 over 4. 1/4. So that might be one that you know from the past. 25% is just a quarter of the price. 50% is half. So we start by writing things as fractions. 2% as a fraction. I'll let you write this one down and reduce it yourself. 100. So we got 2 out of 100. And that reduces to 1 out of 50. So when you're seeing if you can reduce a fraction, what you're looking for, is there a number that I can divide both 2 and 100 by? And in this case, you can divide them both by 2. The same thing happened before when we had 25 over 100. Okay? What happened here is we divided both by 25. Sometimes when you're doing equivalent fractions, you don't see the biggest number that you can divide by, and it's okay to take a couple of steps if you at a time. So for example, 25 over 100, someone might have said, I know I can divide both of these by 5. So maybe you don't see the biggest number first, and it's not wrong. If I divide 25 by 5, I'm going to get 5. If I divide 100 by 5, I'm going to get 20. This is an equivalent fraction. It's equal to 25 out of 100. It's equal to 1 out of 4. It's still not in the lowest terms because 5 over 20, there's still a number that you can divide both of those by. You can divide both of them by 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 1/4. So even if you don't see the biggest number, you can start with whatever you notice both of them divide by and keep going until you're in the lowest terms. Now there